How to fix no vibration on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see second best button is accessibility. So click on accessibility. Now here scroll down. You will see click on touch. So click on touch. Now here scroll down. You will see vibration button is here. So if you want to your vibration is not working, so first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button, your vibration is work properly. So after the process, go back to home screen. So refresh phone. So that's how you can fix no vibration on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.